You can easily create AI stunning animated videos that looks exactly like this with this amazing AI tool I'm going to share with you right here in this video. So guys, you want to simply work with me from the beginning of this video to the very end, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up at the end of this video. So right here guys, this AI tool is called the MoonValley.ai. MoonValley is a groundbreaking new text-to-video generative AI model. You can easily create breathtaking cinematic and animated videos from a simple text prompt. And you can easily get access to this by simply trying out the beta section, which is a Discord server. So once you simply tap on this, it's going to take you right onto the Discord server of the MoonValley AI. So if you simply scroll down right here, we have the new moon creators, the moon one, and many more right there. So you can easily just tap on any of that right here, and it's going to take you right onto the creation page. So once you're right here, you want to simply put in slash right here. As you can see, we have some built-in right here that we can easily make use of. So you want to simply make use of create a video from a text prompt. So you simply just tap onto this right here. So the first thing guys is to put in a prompt. I can decide to make use of this particular prompt. So I've been able to put in my prompt. The next is to select the style. I want to simply make use of anime or manga, or make use of the 3D animation, but I'm going to make use of this. Now the duration of my video, I want it to be about 2 to 5 minutes right here. Now you can easily add in 5 more. We can make use of some reference image or camera controls for our video, or which modern version you want to use. You can easily put in some negative prompts and some seed. But if you do not want to add any of that, just tap onto the enter button right here, and you'll be able to send a command right here to the MoonValley AI. We are working on your video, and we will notify you when it is ready. So you want to simply be patient and wait for a few seconds. So right here guys, as you can see, my video is ready. This is my prompt text, the model, the duration, the model version, and also my prompt ID. So if I simply just play this video, let's see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is it. It's looking so amazing. So this is how you can easily just make use of the MoonValley. This is how you can easily just make animated videos by making use of this AI tool called MoonValley. Simply give this a prompt, and it's just going to generate your video into anime right there. You can easily download this right into your device. So if you are looking for one of the best platforms that helps you create breathtaking, cinematic, and animated videos from a simple text prompt, simply check out the MoonValley generative AI model.